welcome back. This is Sumedha, and today our yoga session is Yoga for Migraine. Yoga for Migraine is a gentle healing yoga and pranayama practice to help support you when you are having a headache or a migraine. It is also a great practice for those who are seeking regular self-care. No headache is required to do this session. We are having the gentle movements, focusing onto the breath and taking all our stress, anxiety away and trying to calm our head. Take these 17 minutes session to relax your nervous system, to relax your body, to relax your breath, and cultivate a relationship to natural remedies and healing within to invite stress and toxins to flush away. Alright, let's get started. Alright, lie down onto your mat, back flat on the ground, legs apart so that the feet fall naturally to the sides. Arms at 45 degrees from the body with the palms facing up. Shake out the shoulders, roll your head from side to side and then back to the center. Now close your eyes. Bring your attention towards your body, lying onto the mat. Feel the weight of your body. Feel the ground supporting you. And allow yourself to melt downward. Focus your mind onto your breath as every inch of your body sinks in deeper into the mat from your toes all the way up to the head, allowing your body to relax as a way to recharge it. Leave behind the stresses of your day, any anger, agitation, irritation, bad mood, negative thoughts, and focus on relaxing your forehead. Trying to breathe in and breathe out. Start by inhaling slowly and deeply into the belly. Notice how breath feels on the inhale as it fills your belly. Your ribs expand, your chest fills. Slowly exhale, feeling the breath come slowly out, leaving your body. Breathing in and breathing out, focus fully on your breath, letting go of what has not been before and what is about to come. Focus on this moment and bring your awareness only towards your breath. From there, stretch your complete body, bringing an awareness back towards your body by gently moving your toes, fingers, bringing your hands overhead and stretch your arms overhead. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale and release. Inhale and slowly come sit up. Sit into a comfortable cross-legged position. Spine straight, rolling your shoulders back and down. For the headache, migraine, alternate nostril breathing help wonders. It helps calm down your parasympathetic nervous system and helps you relax. Place your left hand in a chin mudra, thumb and index finger together, and rest in your left knee. You are resting your left hand towards the left knee. You are placing your right hand in a Vishnu mudra, which is an index and the middle finger down towards your palm, leaving the thumb, ring and little finger up. This allows you to channel and redirect the energy within the body to achieve optimal health and vitality. Close your eyes and using your right hand, place the thumb onto the right nostril. Inhale from your left nostril. Om. Block both of the nostrils and exhale through the right nostril. Inhale through the right. Block both of the nostrils and exhale through the left. This time, from the left nostril as you inhale, inhale for count of 4, 3, 2, 1. Block the left nostril with the ring finger of your right hand. Retain the breath for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release the thumb. Right exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are doing 2 to 3 more times. We are inhaling for 4, holding the breath for 8, exhale for 8, inhale for 4, hold the breath for 8 and exhale for 8. 4, 8, 8, 4, 8, 8. And once done, slowly come, bringing your shoulder blades maybe together, dropping your chin down. And then as you inhale, rotating your neck very softly 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Let your breath be rise and fall gently. With the hands on towards your knees and your thighs, inhale, lift your chest up, chin up, look up. As you exhale, rounding through the spine. Inhale, look up, chin up, chest up. Exhale, round your spine. Slowly bring both of your arms up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, right arm coming down, right fingertips coming down, left hand is coming over your head and dropping it towards the sides. You're dropping your right ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale, come back to the center, raising both of the arms up. Exhale, left fingertips down, left ears are rolling down. You're getting the side stretch here. From there, slowly open up, come back, come on all fours into a tabletop position. You can use your pillows under the knees if you need to be. And then drop your elbows first on towards your hands in this tabletop position. Back of your toes curled inside. And then place your heart down. Kind of a puppy pose with a little variation. If your shoulders are tight, you can bring your palms together. In this puppy pose, try to bring your forehead down and massage side to side. Then bring your shoulders back. Place your hands back. You can hold your back of your knees, back of your thighs, and then place the top of your head a little bit onto the ground. Press yourself. This time we are not pressing the forehead, we are pressing the crown of your head. Kind of a rabbit pose. Breathe deep. Your attention is on towards the crown of your head. Lift the navel up, lift the hips. You're not collapsing, you're lifting your body, lifting your sitting bones up. And then as you exhale, slowly surrender, come to a child pose. Hands are onto the back, focusing on inhale and exhale. Let your nose turn towards one of your side. Your shoulders are back towards the back of both of your hands are towards the back, resting one hand onto the other, and you are deeply inhaling and exhaling. Come back to the center and then lift your body half an inch up and thread needle your right arm under your left. Inhale, come back to the center and change. Change the other arms. Breathe into the back of your center. Breathing in. Eyes are closed here. And breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. From there, slowly come, lie down onto your back. You can use the pillow if you need to be. You can place a little scarf or something to cover your eyes. And we are coming into a reverse pigeon pose. We are lying flat onto the mat with spine fully grounded, bending your knees and placing the feet hip distance apart in a constructive rest position. Then lift the right foot and cross it over the left thigh, just above your left knee. Reach the arms through the legs and clasp the hand behind left thigh or in front of the left chin. With an exhale, draw the left leg in towards the body. Make sure that the shoulders and spine are fully grounded. Eyes are still closed. You can still have those eye band on top of you, focusing and relaxing along with long deep breaths. Due to its restorative nature, this pose also helps balance the blood pressure and also provides help in this migraine relief. Slowly change the sides. This time lift the right foot, cross it over the left thigh, just above the left knee. Reach the arms through the leg and clasp the hands behind the left leg or in front of the left chin. With an exhale, draw the left leg in towards the body. Make sure your shoulders and spine are fully grounded. completely relax here. And then slowly come to a spinal twist, opening both of your arms, bringing your knees towards your chest and placing both of the knees towards the right side. Relaxing your spine, relaxing your neck, eyes are still closed. And then slowly change, bring both of the knees towards the other side. And then come back. As you exhale, come back, lie, and bend your knees into a reclining bound angle pose. Bring the feet together and allow the knees to gently fall outwards towards either side of the yoga mat. Keep the soles of your feet together and the spine fully grounded. Fully relax the arms either side of your body and keep the palms facing upwards. Closing your eyes, allowing your inner thighs to relax, your back to relax, focusing on your steady breathing and full body relaxation. Just in case if you have a space in between your knees and the floor and you feel uncomfortable, please place some kind of a block to protect your sides of your knees. This reclined butterfly pose as a restorative posture helps you to improve blood flow. It also enables the release of tension and stress, which can positively impact the pressure experienced during the headaches. Complete and full relaxation here, and then slowly come back to a straight legs in a Shavasana. Place your index finger onto the flap of your ears, and we are having a humming bee kind of a sound in this Shavasana, focusing onto the crown of your head. Placing your index finger onto the flap of your ears and take a deep breath in. Feel the vibrations onto the crown of your head and relax here. See you soon in another video. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching and sharing your beautiful energies with me. If you enjoy this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to click that subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date in all our new yoga and workout classes. See you. Thank you so much. Namaste.